Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be going through a potential reason for why your React app produces an infinite loop. So as you can see, we have a very basic application here. We have a function which generates a random number and a button which we use to generate it. And as you can see on the right hand side, our app has been re-rendered too many times. Now the reason why an infinite loop is happening in this code is very easy to fix. So as you can see, with this onclick function, we're setting the current number to a generated value. But what actually happens is, on the first render, React evaluates all the props. And when it sees this one, it evaluates this as a called function rather than a function we passed in. But this is very easy for us to fix. We just need closure. So the simplest way I can think of doing this is just to use an arrow function. As we can see, it works. So the solution is just to wrap the function inside of another function if you have parameters. Now here's another example. I've created a function called hello which console logs hello world, and this will help to illustrate the point a little bit better. So as you can see, we have these parentheses here which we're not supposed to pass in. So when our page renders, you'll see that hello world is printed out immediately, and this is simply because we have parentheses. So if we remove them and then re-render, you can see it's not the case anymore. So this shows that if we want to pass in parameters into a function, we need closure. Now another thing to note is that the reason why the first function re-rendered infinitely is because the state was changed after the first function call, and then the component re-rendered and the cycle continued. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and press the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.